everyone, I am Via Nikki from BSHM2C, and in this video I will be making or I'll be showing to you how to make soft rolls, and these are the ingredients. We have here the sugar, the butter, the yeast, the flour, the salt, oil, and the water. So first we have to mix the water with the yeast and a little bit of um, sugar. Then we have to set it aside, and while stirring it, make sure that it all dissolve. Then we have here the milk, the non-fat milk mixed with the butter. Stir it well. And the next is the sugar. Fully pour the sugar into the milk, and then mixed together the yeast and the mixture of the butter and milk with the sugar, and then add the salt, and then transfer it into a large bowl for the mixing of the flour. Then after that, sift the flour to avoid any other thing to be added into the mixing. Just repeat the process until you'll reach the proper texture of the dough. Stir it constantly. And then if you'll see that it's not the right texture, then add again. Add a cup of flour again. And yes, just repeat the process. Sift it, then mix, and then after, transfer it into a surface and try to knead it as much as possible. Knead the dough with all your force. Until it will not stick into your hands anymore. After kneading, we will now let it rest for 30 minutes. So what I did is I rubbed some oil into the container and I transferred the dough, and then I covered it with a cling wrap. And after 30 minutes, I'm going to knead it again to release the air. As you can see, it really doubled its size. So I need to knead it again and again. Knead it as much as possible and then try to roll it, because I am now going to divide the dough into two so that I can finish it right away. So the measurement that I'm gonna use is 40 grams. Exactly 40 grams. Yeah, 40 grams. And then just repeat the process into each of it. Divide by dividing, we can really see that each of them is equal. Their weight are equal. I am now forming the dough into circular shape, and I'm also rubbing the pan with a little bit of oil just to avoid the dough to be stick. Just repeat the process in doing so until you'll finish everything. Now that I am done with all the pieces, I am now letting it rest for an hour, and then fast forward after an hour. As you can see, it also doubled its size. I'm now doing the washing by the use of the yolk, and I did add a little bit of milk. Just repeat also the process until you've finished doing it to each of it. Right after washing the top of the dough, I already preheated the oven. Now I am inserting it into the oven and putting it inside the oven. Just waiting for it to be cooked. The timer is 18 to 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. After 20 minutes, I get it. Ooh, that looks delicious. And the finished product, the soft roll.